Let's see, this is an update from the sailing vessel Fantasia. We're crossing the Exuma Sound. Just left Davis Harbor in Oruta, 0800 this morning, and we're heading for the government park in Exuma. It's on the far north end of the island chain. Beautiful day, must be about 80 degrees. Wind blowing, has been blowing fairly steady at 10. It's right on the beam. You can see 7-knot wind right now. And like I say, it's a beautiful day. We got about a 30-mile sail. Not another boat in sight. And I guess we're in about, what, Jim, about 2,000 feet of water? 2,500 feet of water. Plenty of water. No worries about going aground. And let's see what else we can see. Here's our helmsman on the job.
Keeping on course.
All right. Let's see what we can see back here, baby, without falling out. As you can see, there's not another boat in sight. We saw one sailboat this morning. That was it.
One cruise ship.
One cruise ship. Here's our course. We're slowed down. We were going 6 and 7 knots. The wind's dying down a little bit. Holding probably about 75 knots. And got a rolling sea, 4 or 5 foot waves. And just a nice, gentle, easy ride. It shows us arriving at our destination at 12:22. And that's probably a couple hours from now. Okay, that's all for now.